Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer TikTok Shop balance to GCash. Alright, let's begin. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly transfer your TikTok Shop balance here to GCash? Well, first things first is you want to go ahead and open up your profile at the bottom right here. And you want to go and look for a tree bar icon, usually at the top right of your screen or in TikTok profile account here. Now from here, you should see a few things, so we want to look for balance or something similar to that. So let's go and click on balance. And from here, what we need to do is we want to go and click on the estimated balance option you see here, which in this case will show you your actual balance or the balance you currently have right now on your account. Let's go and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to look for your current value. As you can see, we have live rewards here and the amount that we currently have for that. Let's go and click on it. And from here, you should be able to see two options. So you have withdraw and exchange. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just click on the withdraw button here, and it should give you the option to basically transfer or cash out or withdraw from your account here, or TikTok account, which in this case, if you want to basically withdraw this from GCash account, you may want to provide your GCash account here if it's available. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So that's basically how you can transfer TikTok Shop balance to GCash. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.